In this question, I am going to consider two time frames, 5 years ago and the time frame, the present. Okay. Now, it is given in the question that the age of the elder daughter is 48. So the present age of the elder daughter, it is 48. So 5 years ago, what would have been the age of the elder daughter? It would have been 48 minus 5, 43, correct? Now, when we are considering this question here, when we consider the transition from 5 years ago to the present situation, the age of every member, it increases by 1 year per year. Like that for 5 years, it is happening. Okay. So that is one main aspect you have to consider. Every person's age will increase by 1 year per year. All right. Now, in the question, it is also indicated that the average age of a family of 5 members is the same today as it was 5 years ago. So let us consider the average age 5 years ago. Let that value be A. So what is the present average age? That also it is equal to A. The average value, it does not change. It remains the same. There is no change in the family except that elder daughter was replaced by the daughter-in-law. That's the only change that is happening, which means we can see that there are 4 members who were there 5 years ago who are now also. Okay, daughter goes off, daughter-in-law comes in. That is the only change that is happening in that family. Okay, so when we are considering the sum of the ages 5 years ago, we can write it like this. Sum of the ages of 4 members plus the age of the daughter, the elder daughter, 43 divided by 5. This is equal to A. That is the average age of all these 5 members 5 years ago. Now, when we are considering the present situation, these 4 members are there in the family. So their sum of the ages, that corresponds to sum 4, this value, plus we have to add 20 to this, because 5 years span when we are considering, for every member, these 4 people, every year the age it increases by 1. So like that you are considering for 4 people 5-year duration. So the sum of the ages of all these 4 people who are there in the family now, who were there in the family 5 years ago, that corresponds to sum 4 plus 20, and that is the sum of the ages of these 4 members now. To that, you have to add the age of the daughter-in-law. The age of the daughter-in-law, let me represent it using DIL, 3 letters. Okay. Divided by the number of members, that is equal to 5. And we can see that this corresponds to again A, because average it remains unchanged. All right. So from this, I can see that this can be equated to sum 4 plus 43 divided by 5. All right. Now we can cancel this 5 here because number of members, it remains the same. We can also cancel this sum 4 here. Okay. And from this, we can rewrite this given expression as 20 plus DIL, that is the age of the daughter-in-law, that is equal to 43. So from this, I'm going to write it again, 20 plus DIL, that is the age of the daughter-in-law, the present age of the daughter-in-law, that is equal to 43. So from this, I can now find the age of the daughter-in-law, that is equal to 43 minus 20, and that is equal to 23. You are asked to find how old is the daughter-in-law. We can see that daughter-in-law is 23 years now. Option B, that will be the final answer for this question.